Abir, I will upload your video, okay?
No, bro.
Don't worry.
No,
I will
bro.
I will upload your video when which video I recorded yesterday. Yes? Do you agree?
No, I don't agree.
Okay, you don't agree, but I will upload your video.
No,
Yes.
because
Brother,
that. Yes,
what you want to trying to say?
you speak. What do you want to?
Why are you looking like mad?
No,
Your t-shirt and your face is matching, and
no,
I
bro.
want I'm
No,
able to see you. You are looking like mad, and your hair is also like mad. Why,
no.
brother?
My hair is
Yes, your hair
like
is.
this, like it.
Yes, guys, speak.
My hair like me.
Your hair like you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying your hair is looking like you, and you are looking like mad. Do you
No,
know?
I'm not looking like mad. I'm looking like intelligent.
Intelligent.
Yes.
Okay, you are intelligent.
Yes.
Oh wow, nice. And I want to ask you some question, and
Yes. You ask.
you will give me answer, okay?
Yes, I give you answer.
Oh yeah. uh, can we talk about experience and fresher person?
Yes,
Yeah, which person is better? Who person no, yeah, who person will be better for a company, and not a company everywhere, experience or
yes.
fresher? What do you think about?
Experience better than
Then fresher.
fresher.
Why do you think about experience better
Yes,
than experience than
uh,
fresher?
because fresher man
Yes.
is anywhere going to anywhere going to company.
Yeah.
So I think Sunnis, generally you should you should get
What you want to say? You prefer experienced person? Experienced person are good.
yes,
Okay, experienced person are good, and uh, I disagree
what,
your point.
yes,
Fresher person is good for everywhere and every company, and for every field. Do you know why? Do you know
why,
why? If you uh, suppose that I have a company, and I'm a company owner of a company. Do you know?
yes,
And if I hire any fresher person, and fresher person can ready easily for 10,000 and 9,000. But if you hire any experienced person demand high money, you know. And experienced
uh,
person has attitude. I will not do this work as a 10,000 and as a 15,000. And
yes,
their demand they request me, if you give me 30,000 money and 40,000 money, then I will do job. But do you know, if you hire a fresher person can do everything. If you want what you want to make, do them.
but your I think you create a company,
Yes.
but your company in experienced person
without
is
without
in here.
without experienced person, my company will not run. If
No,
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 I have knowledge. That's why I opened my company. Do you know, I will handle this situation. Hire the I hire as a fresher person, then I can make them knowledge. I can
but
give them knowledge. Then a fresher person.
some experience
Yes.
should here your company.
in my company no any experienced person here. Do you know I'm also a knowledge, I'm experienced,
Not
that's why I
no.
opened my company.
You have not. You don't have knowledge.
I don't have knowledge. How you can say, brother? I opened my company because I have knowledge. That's why. If I not have knowledge, so how I can open my company?
But don't have everything knowledge.
Don't have everything knowledge.
Yes.
I have everything knowledge, brother.
No. No.
Only no. I have knowledge. That's why I opened my company. I have everything knowledge. How to manage my company. If I don't have knowledge, so why I open my company? And suppose that if you don't know how to do work in farm, so can you do work in farm?
Uh,
Any with the help of any other person, and any other person will not give you suggestion every time and 24/7. Do you know? If you have knowledge, then
how to operate computer laptop.
I know very well how to operate computer, how to operate laptop.
Uh, how to management in your employee.
Because I have degree and I learned so many things. That's why my mind is going to open a new company. If I hadn't learned something and learned that field, so I will not think about open my new company. And you know, if you hire as a fresher person, fresher candidate have uh, energy and fresher person want to do job everywhere, and fresher person want to learn everything. And mm, if you will obey a fresher person uh, anything, and they easily convince because I have to learn this. Do you know?
But
Yeah. Yes.
experienced person
Yes.
handling
Yes.
other employee. Uh,
Other employee.
yes.
So experienced person, if I hire, and you want to say experienced person is very good, so anytime like any earlier that person have experience, and that person would have fresher. If I will give chance,
Yes.
if I will give chance as a fresher person, then fresher person will get experience, then become an experienced person, na.
Yes. But that time you will that time you did uh, कुछ मतलब कम पैसा मिलता है that time a loss amount.
Less amount. Yes.
Uh,
Yes, and if I hire as a fresher person, you want to say you need to give less amount. So this is a benefit for me. If I hire as a fresher person, I need to give a less amount as a 10,000, and fresher person can easily agree to do this job as a 10,000 and 12,000. But do you know, fresher experienced person will not agree. Experienced person has attitude and demand.
how to agree.
How to agree?
Yes, कैसे agree होगा?
Do you know?
Because experienced person also बहुत a long time.
Yes.
Long time do job.
Yes, experienced
Uh,
person has do job for long time. That's why he will not agree as a 10,000. So it is good for me, or it is good for company.
but
Do
experienced
if you have
person को
if you
रहना
have
चाहिए ना.
if you have experience, if you have experience as a 5 year, do you know? And if I have one company, and I will hire you, I will conduct interview, and you will go to interview and you will give interview, then
Yes.
only I will tell you I will give you 10,000. So do you agree?
No.
This is good. This is not good for you, but that's why
Because
you will not agree with me. But if I hire as a fresher person and I tell them I will give you 10,000 rupees, fresher person will agree with me. Yeah.
but you give 10,000.
Yes.
If so any one person how to survive.
Any one person,
uh,
because big any one person. What you want to say? Any one
कैसे
person.
सर्वाइव करे कोई भी इंसान एनीवन.
So they have not experience. That's why I will give 10,000 rupees. After getting experience, I will give them 20,000 rupees. Do you know?
Yes.
Yes. What you want to say? Do you have any point? I
I
think
don't have
I
time.
think
I don't.
God से देखो इस चेहरा को. Who is this?
What is this?
Okay. Bye bye. If you feel comfortable and if you feel good, so
What is this?
I don't know what is this. Thank you. Bye bye.